Hello class, this is another example on the formal congruency proof. So let's go straight into it. In this example, PQRS, we're being told that is a rectangle. This first question, we need to prove triangle PQR, so this triangle here, PQR, is congruent to triangle RSP. So we need to formally prove that those two triangles are equal. So let's get straight to it. Let's take a close look here. PQ. So let's find PQ. What should that be equal to in the other triangle? So in this triangle, I'm just saying PQ must be equal to something. Well, if you can see that SR must be equal to PQ, you are correct. Now the reason for that, well, it's actually not given to us, but we know that the property of a rectangle is that opposite sides are equal. So we can say that this is opposite sides of rectangles, rectangles are equal. Let's try and move this across a little bit. There we go. So we're using the features of a rectangle because we know that this side must be equal to this side because opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Well, if that's the case, we can say that PS must be equal to QR for the exact same reason. So I'm just going to use ditto marks. If you haven't seen these before, these markings imitate everything exactly above it. Okay, now let's find the last piece of information. We have side, and you can see that actually PR is shared. So PR is shared, or you can say is common. It's a shared side. So now take a look. We've had one side, we have another side, so one side, another side, and a third side. So we can say that therefore the triangle PQR is congruent to triangle RSP. And the reason for that is we found 3 equal sides. Now from here, let's find the value of angle QPR first. Let's find this one, QPR. Let's find this value first. Let's just label it X to make it easy for ourselves. Now this one's a little bit of a trick question because it actually doesn't match anything in the other triangle. But if you can recall that the corner of a triangle, the corner of a rectangle is 90 degrees. And since this is 65, we can find this missing value. Take a look. X plus 65 plus 90 in that corner there, because that's a 90-degree angle. So X plus 65 plus the corner should equal 180. So from here, let's just do some algebra. Let's add the 65 and 90 together. That is 155. So X plus 155 equals 180. subtracting 155 from both sides. This cancels, leaving us with x by itself. So 180 minus 155, it is equal to 25 degrees. So angle, what was it? Angle QPR is equal to 25. Let's now find the value of angle SPR. SPR. Now, in the exact same way, we can see that this is a 90-degree angle. And we know that x is now equal to 25. To make this a little bit easier, let's label this y. Now let's take a look at that corner here. Remember, this is a 90-degree angle here. So we can say that x plus y should add up to 90 degrees. But we know that x is equal to 25. So 25 plus y is equal to 90. Let me repeat that again. This is a 90-degree angle here. And we know that one of the angles is 25 and the other angle is y. And from here we can simply solve it by subtracting 25 on both sides. Therefore we can say that y is equal to, let's use a quick calculation here. 90, take away 25 is 65 degrees. So in this particular example, I actually didn't use any congruency for this one, but I just showed you another example of a formal congruency proof. So I hope that gave you an insight into formal congruency proofs. Hope to see you in the next video where we do one more example. Hope to see you then. Best of luck.